at a dental school, and all of us have learned things in a different way based on our dental school and just kind of based on like ourselves, how we want to approach things. And so I think that I've been able to have more confidence in my clinical judgment, even if it is different from someone else's.
Because I've already seen these mistakes we talk about, and I can be a little bit more specific with my questions, you know, and be like, okay, hypothetically, what if I did this, you know, how do we fix that?
So this training has been very good. It's been very good for two reasons. One of them, I would say, it just makes me a stronger clinician. It just helped me to understand sometimes, like, I have seen treatment plans that I haven't agreed with, and when I have asked, people have explained it to me, but I just really didn't understand it. And I think like during this training, we talk through so many treatment plans, and like we talk about it, and it's like, oh, I remember why we did things the way we did. And I think that's been very helpful. It's made me a stronger clinician. Just practicing space maintainers, SSCs, back-to-back, like that's not something we did in dental school. So that's been very helpful. It makes me faster, makes me more confident. So that's been very good, just like as the clinician portion. But also it's been very good just getting to know people who are in the same boat as me. Getting to know new dentists who just graduated, who are like learning, just getting like that mentorship and that friendship and like talking one-on-one. It's been very helpful too, just to know you're not alone, you're also learning, you're also going through the same ups and downs, and this is what life is about. So those two things has been very good for me.